Hello friends, and today I will tell you about a preparation that will help protect your seedlings from the appearance of fungal and bacterial diseases, and it will also help your seedlings grow faster and stronger. And this drug is well known to experienced gardeners. It is called phytosporin. It is a biological product that, when used correctly, will only benefit your plants. And note that we are talking about phytosporin paste, which contains not only bacterial fungicides, Bacillus subtilis, which have a depressing effect on the development of pathogenic bacteria, as well as potassium humate, which actually helps to strengthen seedlings, gives it stable growth and development. This is not an advertisement. This drug is sold in absolutely any garden stores. The main thing is to pay attention to the packaging so that it is whole, not damaged, and also look at the production date. The fresher the better, of course. And since this is a biological product, if the expiration date is already expiring, it is better not to purchase it, look elsewhere. But how to apply it for seedlings, I will show you now. To do this, we need a liter jar of warm water. Because all biological preparations are best diluted in warm water, so they dissolve faster and start working faster. And we need half an ounce of phytosporin paste itself. This equates to 1 heaping tablespoon. As you can see, dilute it in water until completely dissolved. To do this, you have to mix phytosporin in a jar for about a minute. And thus we have prepared a concentrate. For plants, this will be a very strong concentration. But now we take a marker and a ruler. Measure our capacity. If you took a jar of 2 pints, as in my case, we divide it into 5 equal parts. For this we need a ruler. As I said, we prepared a concentrate, enough to dilute in 10 quarts of water. And since I will be using a 2-quart bottle, I divide the concentrate into 5 equal parts. And now I pour 1 part of the concentrate into a watering bottle. And absolutely everyone can make such a watering bottle as mine. The video was recently released on my channel. So come and see it. As you can see, it is very convenient to water any seedlings with it, and reach out to the outermost cups in your rack or nursery, and use this preparation as a regular watering with a consumption of about 2 fluid ounces per pot with seedlings. And this preparation you can water absolutely any seedlings, peppers, eggplants, tomatoes. I even water the petunia that I have bloomed. This will primarily help prevent the appearance of various rot fungi, as well as diseases on my seedlings, and strengthen its growth and development. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments under this video. Also do not forget to visit my channel, there you will find a lot of interesting and useful information. And do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in new videos.